So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in run. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to copy and paste this command, which will be down below in the description. There's going to be full commands down below, but you just want this first one right here that starts with user profile and it ends with assets. You want to highlight it, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come back to the run box, and then paste it right here. Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on OK. And now this will come up. You want to delete everything in this folder, so just hover over it, and then click on delete. Delete everything here. Next, you want to go to search again, and type in run. Click on it. You want to copy and paste the next command, which will be down below in the description. It starts with user profile and it ends in settings. Just highlight it, Ctrl-C to copy it, come to the run box and then Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter, which will now take us here. And now once we're here, you want to rename both these files. So for the first one, roaming.loc, right click on it, show more options, rename. At the very end, you want to put .back and then click on enter, and then click on yes. Same for this one, right click on it, show more options, rename. At the very end, type in .back and then click on enter, and then click on yes. And now you want to restart your computer. And now once you're back on Windows, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to click on personalization and then click on lock screen. And now we're going to scroll down. You want to click on lock screen. And now once we're here, it's going to be saying personalize your lock screen. Make sure that you select Windows Spotlight. Click on the drop down and then select Windows Spotlight. After you do that, you want to go to search again and type in run. Click on it. You want to copy and paste that same command, which will be down below in the description. The one that starts with user profile and it ends in settings. Copy and paste that and then click on OK. And now once we're here, you want to delete both these files. Hover over them and then delete. Once you do all of that, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to go to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. Just highlight it, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it. And then click on enter. Now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.